Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to BCC meeting invitation recipients in Outlook in 2026. Now, this is useful when you want to invite the people without showing their email addresses to everyone else. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open Outlook. Once you are here, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of calendar. Here in the calendar, click on the option of new event in order to basically start creating a fresh meeting. Now, by default, you will only see this invite attendees option. So in order to enable the BCC option, simply click on the option of the optional right next to it. Now, once you do this, in the first field, you will have to simply provide the addresses or the email addresses of those people whom you want to basically add to the attendees list. And then we have this invite optional attendees. So this is our BCC main section. Here you need to provide the email addresses of all those people whom you want to hide from the main recipients list. After that, simply fill out the meeting related subject, the title, the date and the time, and then you just have to add any of the meeting details or the agenda in this particular description section. If this is an online meeting, you can also basically turn this toggle button on for the Teams meeting to generate a meeting link automatically. So once everything is ready, you can click on the option of save. Then you can click on the option of send. All the recipients will receive the invite, but people who have added in the BCC will not be visible to others. So in the new Outlook, you can also click on the three dots inside the meeting window, and then you can select the option of BCC and enter your hidden recipients the same way. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.